cows just had twins. There's the bull. Hello. Here's one, here's the other. Doing well. First load of wheat going out now. Got two different varieties in here, that's why I've got to divide them all in. About 11 or 12 of these buckets to a lorry load. It's quite a big bucket. Gone and put too much in it, haven't I? We're going to have to open the back chute a bit and open the door. Just been and baled 40 acres of wheat straw, so that's all the wheat baled now, all done, which is good. I thought just come look at the maize. Look at this. A little bit here where people have been driving in. I can't tell you how tall this is though. Look, I'm 6 foot something. It's like 10 foot tall. I'll stand here, look. Stick my hand up. Still can't reach the top. Really high, isn't it? Real thick as well. That is good. Just come into this last field of hay. Then the bale is done with for the year. So this is quite a big steep hill, to be fair. Not much in here. It's quite steep on this bit. See if the baler goes sideways. She's pulling it well, the old Massey. Alright, get this bit done. Get to the next job. Baler's off, trailer's on. Ready for this combine to go and do the oats. So check diesel in it. Go and have a look. Just got the trainer on. Going to have a look if the oats are ready. Look, they're up, one up here, one here, one here. Then there's 3 fields over the top of that valley as well. So we'll go see if they're ready or if they're still a little bit green. They should go hopefully, and then we'll get the last bit of harvesting on the oats. So this is the crop of spring oats. Not a bad crop for spring oats. Cutting it a little bit high at the moment because there's still a little bit of green in the bottom. So we're going to do a moisture test. And what is it going to be? 12.5%. That is good. Very good. Knives are all good. Just done a moisture test in the tank, and we're the same. A real dusty lot. I've only climbed up the combine cab steps and they're all mucky and horrible, and they're really bulky as well, so they're going to fill the shed pretty quick. First field done. There's the combine down there in the next one. Got this one to do, another one here, another one behind there, another one over there. There's about 160 acres to do. Right in the middle of this farm, See that one? That's the field just looked at, been harvested. This is stone quarry. This is all block stone. You can see it all down there, look. Massive lumps of block. So this is where all the stone comes from for like, it goes to Oxford, Cambridge universities, and also they're now supplying the House of Parliament with this stone right in the middle of the farm. The first load of oats has been tipped, and here comes load number 2. Coming in a bit warm, so we're going to push them up and put some pedestals around them. The load tipped. These combines are away for the year, same with the baler. One of the other sheds that's we've had 350 tonne of this spring barley go, so this is the last bit. I just turned the fans on because it's about 26 degrees in the heat, so we're trying to get the temperature down before that last bit goes out. So we'll leave the fans on, that one running up there, that one, then we'll swap it over. We've got 2 of them fans, so I might put 2 in a bit as well. Just getting these other pedestals out, grain shed number 4. This is the one in the videos that I built. This is the other heap of spring barley in here. Want this pedestal here and these 2 for the oat heap. We'll have the big grain bucket on, get in there, get ready to push it up. Shoving this up into the corners. Three pedestals in, first bay. Got all the steel ones as well to go, and I like using these ones though, because if you drive into them they don't bend or anything, they're twin wall plastic. Just pulled a bit out so I can spread it round them. Right. They're really bulky, the oats always are, and they don't weigh anything, so you think there's quite a lot there, but in weight there's not actually that much. In our spare time, do a bit of stone carving. This is all done with angle grinders. Some balls for the top of some gates. Just got another bit in that we're just doing at the moment, so I'll show you that. This is what we're doing in our spare time. How about that, look? Bit of stone chain made out of one bit of stone. There we go. Right, back onto grain. A little bit dusty in here, but it's starting to fill up. So yeah, over halfway through, only a few more hours now and we will be done. So thanks very much for watching, and that is another harvest completed, season 2023, all in the shed, all done. So yeah, see you in the next video.